do this on my own. Give me some help. We got a smoker. 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 Okay, let's cross this plank quick. We got a smoker. Shit, this is heavy. Open up the locker.
How did he? I didn't even get down there. I don't get it.
Into the jazz club.
I gotta practice that shit.
Here. Hold steady. Tank. 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 Kiss my ass. Thanks, Ro. Thank you. Thanks. No. Adrenaline shot here.
Your coach.
Don't worry about me. I'll be okay. That's a hit. No siree, Bob. Don't be leaving me here, damn it! Help! Grabbing the assault. No! 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 I don't want to let you. I need some help. Go! Back it up. Hello.
Ready for this?
Got me! You see this? Ow! This big job! This thing on me!
This shit's I don't know, but...
Go to hell. Go to hell. Relax, relax, I'm coming! He give you... What? Reloading. Reload. Your mom's car. Your mom's car. Hold on, I'm coming. Ah! Are you ready? Everyone ready? Reloading. Boiled nuts. Boiled nuts. Coach, come on. I hate your life, Coach. And you want to live?
Hey. Got some
Cannon. Gonna heal. Ah! You want? Thanks. Greasy pig should be close enough. Buddy, if you can get me out of this. Ellis, what? Hey!
Down to Jimmy Thomas.
Okay, we
Great!
just gotta
Back
run.
to the goddamn history of sewage.
much better.
Got it!
All right, Coach.
Aylas.
Run!
Let's keep moving.
Son of a bitch.
Reloading.
Here they come. Help! They're coming. We got inbound. Go! Go! I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. There's the signal.
I'm just gonna start the adrenaline. Run the fuck out.
I opened it.
Here we go.
We got coming! Keep moving. Pills here.
There he is.
Hot stuff coming!
Here we go.
Jockey!
I'm making it. Here we go.
Safe room!
Yes.
Hey-yo! I'm on my way!
That's got emergency alert
Go
system on my
incoming.
phone.
Reloading! Healing. Okay.